Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the flagship of home entertainment, the Sony BRAVIA 985-inch 4K HDR QLED Mini-LED TV, 2024 model. If you want a giant screen with stunning picture quality, this massive 85-inch TV is made to impress. Sony's BRAVIA 9 series uses cutting-edge mini-LED technology combined with QLED panels to deliver incredible brightness, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. This means your movies, sports, and games will look spectacular with lifelike detail and stunning contrast. With 4K HDR support, every frame bursts with clarity and color accuracy. What's more, this TV comes bundled with two Deco Gear 4K HDMI 2.0 cables featuring pure copper conductors, ensuring you get the highest quality signal transfer for ultra-smooth, lag-free performance. Plus, the exclusive CPS 50-month protection pack guarantees peace of mind with extended warranty and coverage. Sony has built this TV for both casual viewers and serious cinephiles. Its smart TV platform offers all your favorite streaming apps, and the intuitive interface is powered by Google TV for easy access and personalized recommendations. Voice controls through Google Assistant and Alexa compatibility let you navigate hands-free. For gamers, the BRAVIA 9 supports advanced HDMI features, perfect for next-gen consoles, and delivers minimal input lag with smooth motion thanks to Sony's proprietary processing tech. Design-wise, the ultra-thin bezel and sleek frame make this TV a statement piece in any living room or media room. The premium build quality ensures it not only looks great but lasts for years. To sum up, the Sony BRAVIA 985-inch QLED Mini-LED TV is a powerhouse for anyone seeking a giant, premium 4K HDR screen with smart features, great accessories, and long-term protection. Key features recap. Massive 85-inch 4K HDR QLED Mini-LED display. Deco Gear 4K HDMI 2.0 cables with pure copper conductors X2. CPS Exclusive 50-month protection pack. Google TV platform with voice control, Google Assistant and Alexa. Low input lag and smooth motion for gaming. Sleek ultra-thin bezel design. 2024 flagship model. Check the link in the description for pricing and availability. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.